Hi there, this is RJ from 101 Cooking. Just like to let you know I'm restarting the channel, and I would be uploading some new videos with some new recipes, and I would like you to enjoy those recipes. And if you like, please share, and please leave your comments and subscribe. Thank you very much. Good afternoon there again. Welcome back to RJ's cooking classes. So now I'm going to show you how to cook seasoned rice. Now we have half a green pepper and half a red, yellow pepper, two leaves of bay leaves, touch of black pepper, two strands of thyme, one spring onion, one normal onion diced, ginger, and 1 tablespoon of all seasoning purpose, and we have 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Now, what we need to do is put a bit of olive oil in your saucepan. And what we're going to do today, we're going to put all these ingredients in and sweat up all these ingredients. So we'll put the onions in first. And make sure you have a non-stick pan. Make sure you fry those up. And also, we do have a plate of garlic in here as well. And the garlic. What we do, we put all these ingredients in the saucepan, making sure that everything is fried up. So we put our cumin in, and we put our ginger in, put our bay leaf, and we put our all seasoning peppers. Make sure you have enough olive oil at the bottom of the pan so it doesn't stick. What we're doing at a low fire, we're sweating all these ingredients up, and we're going to put them in our rice. So what you're doing, you're sweating all your ingredients off on a low gas fire. Once you sweat them off, you have to cook for a couple of minutes. And then, this is our rice. We've got 3 cups of basmati rice in here. It's 2 cups of water to 1 cup of basmati rice. So we've got enough water, if you can see, just to cover the rice. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to bring that to the gas fire. We've got a very low gas fire. We're going to put the rice on there, and we're going to put all our ingredients inside here and stir it. Make sure you use a non-stick pan, otherwise it's not very good if you don't use a non-stick pan. Make sure you have everything non-stick pan. Then you stir everything, all the ingredients into the rice. You can see the rice. Stir everything into the rice. There. And what you do, you bring that to the boil first. What we're going to put in here is a touch of salt, pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt, just to flavour. There. And you make sure you bring it to a mid-fire. You see the fire is medium, and then you bring it to the boil. Once you bring that to the boil, you cook that for 20 to 30 minutes and let it simmer. Okay, thank you. This is RJ's cooking lesson. Thank you very much. Bye.